Mr. President, what place do you think you have in history?
In history? In history, we'll all be dead.
You may find yourself living in a shotgun shack. And you may find yourself in another part of the world. And you may find yourself behind the...
Хроника на животот на Џорџ Буш е американски автобиографски драмски филм, базиран на животот и председателството на Џорџ Буш.
Has he been imbibing something I don't know about?
Yeah, devil in a white hat.
Enhanced interrogation techniques utilize fear scenarios.
Хрониките на животот на Џорџ Буш. Вторник, 21 часот и 35 минути.
There is water at the bottom of the ocean. Under the water, carry the water.
You want an ass whipping?
Try it, old man.
Go ahead, take a swing.